Hi guys, it's Craig here again from Indigo Distribution over in Bangor, and I'm doing a bit of an unboxing for some of the Klipsch range, and I'm going to explain what's in each of the range for you to make it a bit easier. So there's a few guys out there who still are sort of struggling with the sheer vastness of what they actually offer. So it's a good thing. So let's just dive right into it. I'm going to start off and show you the Klipsch in-ceiling 6.5 inch CS16 2C. Okay, this guy here is your absolute bread and butter entry level within the Klipsch range. As I say, it's perfect for background audio for guest bedrooms, spare bedrooms, kids' bedrooms, or possibly even your own bedroom. It can be used in a primary listening zone as well if you really want, but generally it's aimed at background audio music, and to be honest, it punches way above its weight for its price point. It's a really cool speaker. I love it. A couple of reasons why I love it is the speed of installation. Many of you who have done multi-room audio in the past and still do it will know the pains of installing normal traditional speakers with traditional Doglegs. So you're up a set of ladders, you have a sort of 1 or 2 kilo speaker in one hand, you've got your battery drill in the other hand, you're pressing it against the ceiling, you're drilling in the Dogleg, sometimes there's 3, sometimes there's 4. These guys will make your day so much faster. And why is because of Skyhook. So what this is a automatically deployed Dogleg. You press this speaker and everything else within the CS and DS range against the ceiling or against the wall, and these guys will come in contact with your plasterboard and automatically deploy, and they'll just snap out and close. And likewise, you can also take them out should you need to maybe pop an access point in afterwards, and again, that's very easy too. That just requires a simple couple of clicks with a screwdriver. So it's a toolless installation on the initial install. These guys here, the WCSs, the 16s, 6.5 inch, pumping out somewhere in the region of about 40 watts to about 160 watts. Don't let the specs fool you though, they punch well above their weight and they are just perfect for background audio. They have a really nice dynamic range, they just sound class, guys. So for the money, definitely they're worth it. Some of the other nice features on it is the bezels and the grills. So one of the things that Klipsch actually do well, and do across their entire range, is the CS and then the designer series, the DS, have circular grills in the box. They're totally bezel-less. They're completely edge-to-edge grill, and that's a really nice trim to it. It's nice, so whenever it's in the ceiling, it looks aesthetically pleasing. We low profile logo as well, just to show off the Axel brand. And then once you get in the range, they actually go up. Just want to go ahead and wrap up the CS range, so the contractor range. You have got the CS16 2C, that's your 6.5 inch. You also have a CS18, which is the next level up, and again it's an 8 inch. You then have a single point stereo within this range, so it's perfect for bathrooms and smaller rooms, and that is a CS16 CSM. So within Klipsch's range, if you see CSM afterwards, that's a single stereo, okay? Further to that, you have an in-wall version, which is the 16R, and it's beautiful for the likes of media rooms and for surrounds, or even a wee 2 channel where you need it to be in wall. And yeah, it's just a really, really cool range.